Chapter 7 Climatic Conditions of India. Introduction. We sometimes talk about the weather and the climate. Do you know the difference between them? The climate depends on the geographical position of the place and affects the lifestyle of the people living there. Are you aware of the important elements of the climate? Temperature and rainfall are two very important elements of the climate. First of all, we need to know the terms climate and weather and the difference between them. Rain, winter, summer. Weather is the atmospheric condition of a particular day or the every near future. Climate of a place is the regular pattern of weather conditions for a long period of time. India is a vast country. India has different types of landforms like mountains, plateaus and plains. Some areas are near the coast while others are away from it. All these features determine the climate of our country. The climate varies from one region to another. Some parts of the country are extremely cold while others are warm in the same month. In the same way, some regions receive heavily rainfall while others are dry. Some parts of the country are flooded while others see famine for the want to rain. Some parts enjoy the same climate throughout the year while it is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. At other places, clothing and food of a place largely depend on the climate of the place. The climate of our country is mainly shaped by the Himalaya range and the monsoon winds. The other important factors that determine the climate are the location of India near the equator and the long sea coast. Thus, it is true that the climate of India differs from place to place. Despite this, very part of India experiences the same cycle of seasons. The Indian climate can be divided into three main seasons: summer season, rainy season and winter season. Summer season. The summer season in India starts from April and lasts till the end of June. The sun rays fall directly overhead in the summer. It becomes so hot in the northern plains that people do not dare to come out of their homes. In the summer, the days are longer than nights. In the North India, hot and dry wind called Lu blows air across the desert region in the month of May and June. Dust storms are common in summer. Many people die from sunstroke. Let me answer. Can you identify the month when Lu, a hot and dry wind, blows? This is an acute shortage of water. In acute summer, many people move to the lower Himalaya region where the weather is cool and pleasant. Nainital, Mussoorie, Darjeeling and Shimla are some of the famous hill stations. The southern part of India is less hot than the northern plains. It is because the cool sea breeze which blows from the sea lowers the temperature. We enjoy mangoes, the king of fruits, in summers. Do you know? Indian Meteorological Department (IMD), also referred to as the Met Department, an agency of the Government of India, is the principal agency responsible for meteorological observation, weather forecasting and seismology. Mount Abu has the unique flavor of being the only hill station in the desert of Rajasthan. Spring and autumn are the two short seasons in our country that fall in between the main seasons. Rainy seasons. The rainy season is also known as monsoon season. In India, it begins in mid-June and lasts till September. The monsoon winds blow from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal towards the land. They carry a lot of moisture and bring heavy rain to the most part of the country. In the month of June, July and August, the monsoon first arrives in Kerala, and by the middle of July, the whole country experiences a heavy rainfall. Mosernaam in the Khasi Mules in Meghalaya gets the heaviest rainfall in the world. The desert areas like Rajasthan and Gujarat get very little rain. The average annual rainfall in our country is about 120 centimeters. The coast of Tamil Nadu receive rain in water season. The rainy season lasts till September. The rainy season is very important as the farmers in India largely depend on monsoon to irrigate their field. Fact Finder. The climate of India is greatly affected by two seasonal winds, the northeast monsoon and the southwest monsoon. Summer season. The winter season begins from mid-November. The days are shorter than nights. North India experiences severe cold during this season. January is the coldest month in the North India. In the season, strong winds from the west, called the western disturbances, cause light rainfall in the plains and snowfall in the mountains. They are followed by very cold weather and fog. In South India, the winter is moderate. The weather is cool and pleasant. The winter season is generally dry throughout the country except along the Tamil Nadu coast, which gets heavy rainfall and water. People here do not require woolen clothes. The winter season lasts from November to February. Winter is a season of apples, oranges and green leafy vegetables. Thus the cycle of season contributes year after year all over the country. Change in season brings a change in lifestyle, clothing and food habit of the people living there. This makes our lives enjoyable, interesting and happy. Let me answer. How many of you have seen the snowfall? What are the two locations in India where you see snowfall? Research and analysis. India is the world's largest producer of milk, pulse and jute. India ranks the second largest producer of rice, wheat, sugarcane, groundnuts, vegetable, fruits and cotton. It is also one of the leading producers of spices, fish, poultry, livestock and plantation crops. Health and wellness. Heat waves can cause dizziness, vomiting, headache, dehydration, sunburn and even heat stroke. Drink plenty of water in the summer season to keep you hydrated and protect yourself from the heat wave. Indian Heritage Connect. India is a country where all types of climatic conditions are present. For example, snow in Leh Ladakh, sand deserts in Rajasthan, the ocean, mountains, rainforests, etc. Summary. The climate of India is influenced by the Himalaya ranges, monsoon winds, the nearness of the equator and long coastline. The three main seasons in India are summer, rainy season and winter. The hot, dry and unbearable wind called Lu blows across the desert region in the northern India in summer. The monsoon winds bring rain to the most parts of the country. Art integration. Show your realistic skills. Draw a picture of any season on your drawing sheet. Draw surroundings during different seasons like summer, winter and rain. How season changes an environment. Exercises. Creative expression. Tell your story. What fascinating tales about the various seasons can you tell? Tell us about your daily schedule during the various seasons as well as the various safety precautions you take. Cross-curricular connect. Critical thinking. Let's play a game. Weather wheel. Prepare, decorate and display a weather wheel. Write the name of different weather on it. Now select a child and ask him/her to spin the wheel. A child will say some points about the weather where the arrow on the wheel will point. Repeat the process with every child. Logical decision making. It is the rainy season. Now collect the items you need to use in this season. See the pictures below. Find and mark the pictures of the item that you see in the rainy season. Let's practice. A. Write short answer for the following questions. 1. In which season there is acute shortage of water? 2. Where do the monsoon winds come from? 3. What is the average annual rainfall in our country? B. Write long answers for the given questions. 1. Name the factors that influences the climate of India. 2. What is the difference in the winter climate between the North and South India? 3. What is the role of western disturbances in the winter season? C. Fill in the blanks. Monsoon, summer, Lu, winter, moderate. 1. The sun rays fall directly overhead in the dash. 2. The winter season is dash in the southern India. 3. The dash winds blow from the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. 4. The dash seasons last from November to February. 5. The hot dry wind that blows across desert region is called dash. D. Multiple choice questions. The state of the atmosphere at a particular place at a particular time is called dash. 1. Climate. 2. Weather. 3. Monsoon. 4. Autumn. 2. Which of the following places is not a hill station? 1. Shimla. 2. Darjeeling. 3. Mussoorie. 4. Kolkata. 3. The coldest month in the North India is dash. 1. February. 2. December. 3. January. 4. March. E. Match the following. 1. Rajasthan, 2. Moisanam, 3. Shimla, 4. Monsoon, 5. Tamil Nadu. A. The place that gets the heaviest rainfall. B. The state which receives little rain. C. Wind that bring rainfall. D. The state which receives rain in winter. E. A famous hill station. F. Take the correct option. 1. Chandigarh is a famous hill station. 2. Delhi receives less rainfall than Meghalaya. 3. Dust storms are very common during the winter. 4. Tamil Nadu receives rain in summer. 5. Winter season in India starts from July. Conceptual understanding. Global warming. Learn how the melting ice of the glaciers due to global warming is increasing the water level of the sea and how it can affect our lives. Items you need: a big ice cube, a bowl, some water, and a small teddy toy. Steps: pour water into the bowl. Take an ice cube and place it in the bowl. Take your teddy toy and place it on the ice. After some time, when the ice melts, you see your toy drowning in the water. Similarly, rising sea levels can submerge coastal areas and affect human life. Writing skills: Raju is planning to visit Ladakh with his parents. He needs to take some safety precautions and carry some essential items. Make a list of the items he should bring and note any significant safety precautions required due to Ladakh's climate.